So at this point, you definitely want to see a worksheet with 2-digit. One of the things that we've learned is that as they start the worksheets, you will see that they're proficient. Okay, I got it. Push them past the I got it. I got it, I don't want to do any more. Okay, I don't want to do any more. Push them past that. I'm not sure how many problems it would be. Maybe 10 more would be, oh, I like this. If you push them from I got it and I don't want to do it anymore to I got it and I like it, that's when you know it's going to really be in their head. Mm-hmm. So for him, you're going to want to do some on this page. Mm-hmm. I don't really bother too much with the column addition, just with the older kids, because we want to keep it as short as we can. You're going to do 3 digits because in the 5th and 6th grade book, it starts with pretty, a lot. So just go ahead and use the 3rd and 4th grade book for, you're going to do some 3 digits, then you could go on to the 4, you could go to the 10. It just depends. If you're going to go to the 10 digit, then just go to a 20 digit. You see what I'm saying, so they get the idea. Oh, here you go. Just go from a 2-digit to something like this.
Okay.
And just give them a couple problems, because if you have caring, you have caring once you get past the hundreds place. Mm-hmm. So now we're going to move on to 2-digit. And so you can give them, if you see that there's a problem, and you'll check and see, is there really a problem once they start doing that? Mm-hmm. If there's no problem with regrouping, then when you do the no regrouping here, write it on the piece of paper. So when you make a note of that on your progress note, you have a problem in the folder where they have been proficient with it. You following me? So let's see 48. Okay, let's see 48. Not the symbol for 48, but let's see 48. So you notice you don't ever say you're wrong, because we're also making sure that, and they say, oh, I'm sorry, I got it wrong. No, you didn't get it wrong. I just said, show me 48, that's all. What did you say?
I said, you just weren't finished yet. So it wasn't that they got it wrong. You just weren't finished yet.
And that's if they really weren't. But in that case, it wasn't a matter of finishing. But that would be a really nice neutral statement. Okay? But a lot of times, of course you weren't wrong. I just said, show me 48. You see? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Now let's see the symbol for 48. Or we say the symbolic representation. I've had 2nd graders, I bring the parents in and I'll say, what is that? And the 2nd graders say, oh, that's the symbolic representation for 48. Parents go. Now they really, because this was before we worked with foster and probation youth. This is our motto. I am a genius. I am giving to others. I believe in myself. And so, when they get that, they really do think they're geniuses, and then their parents think they're geniuses too. And it's very powerful because by 2nd grade, that child has already been educated to the fact that he is dumb in math. And the parent's been educated to the fact that the child is dumb in math. This eliminates that. But again, there's a big difference in self-esteem between kids that have parents and kids that don't, or don't have supportive parents. Now we're going to take away let's take away 3.
3 ones or 3 tens?
3 ones. Okay, and show me that the math language for that, for take away 3. Very good. And what is left over here?
5 ones and 4 tens.
And what do you call that as a number?
45.
Okay, now let's do that over here. Now, this time, when we subtract, what we do is we count up. So we start with 3, and we go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We count up to the numbers. And how many fingers do we say?
5.
Okay. Is that what's left there?
Yes.
And in the tens place. Okay. Now, we have 45. Let's take away 13. And let's write that as a math language. Okay? And now, let's take away over here. Take away 13. And so that was 3 what?
3 ones
Uh-huh.
and 1 ten.
Okay, good. And what do you have left?
21. 31. 3 tens and 2 ones.
And that's what?
31. I'm 32. I'm tired. I don't want to do this no more.
You turn it off?